Hey everyone, it's Rita. This is the DIY that I told you I would be putting up on my last haul. I'm using 2 of the hanging planters from Dollar Tree. These zip ties I got at Dollar Tree. Fairy lights. I thought 2 packs would be enough, but I ended up using 3. So to begin, I'm going to cut the tags off and then I will place these planters together using the zip ties. And here's my shirt that I hauled from Dollar General and paid 80 cents for. I'm going to use a small piece of foam board and hot glue it to the bottom of this planter so I'll have somewhere to set the battery packs for the lights. I'm just running the lights in and out and around the entire planter, top and bottom. You do need to wrap the wire a couple of times around each section just so they stay in line with the wires on the planter. And here I'm using the foam stickers from Dollar Tree. I'll place one on one battery pack, stick it to the foam board, and then I'm just going to put one in between each one and stack them. I'll be using these flowers that I got at Dollar Tree. It's just what I had on hand. Of course, you can use anything. I'm just wrapping these around, and I will be using hot glue also. When you do this, if you use hot glue, be careful and do not get it on the wires of the lights because it will break them and they won't be any good. Of course, you can use whatever you want to in here to cover these battery packs. It was kind of difficult to get these flowers in here and placed in right. It may be easier just to use some greenery and lay it in. I'm not sure. But I ended up turning the basket upside down so I could see what I was doing and hot gluing those. and then I did go in with some more around the sides. Okay, this is how it has turned out, and now I'll be placing the chain on so it can hang. I may come back in later and put more flowers in, or not. I'm not sure. But this is what we have right now. Okay, so I brought it out on my front porch and it looks pretty good out here. However, I'm afraid that the wind and the rain will ruin those battery packs and the flowers. So just giving you a view of it outside, and then I'll take it indoors and show you. So here it is hanging in the kitchen window. I really like it in here, and all the lights are off in the kitchen, and this is how much light it's giving off. Really bright. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tonight. I do appreciate all my supporters. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. Just hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. And as always, guys, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.